got a chance to see the Capri Island when bought a day trip there from the Naples. The detailed overview of the trip is published already and link is provided in description. Capri was so impressive that our minds are returning to this magical island very often. And we have decided to show some more not published earlier fragments and emotions of our journey. After arriving to the island by speedy catamaran, we were lucky to have access and watch the Blue Grotto. Have a chance to stroll the town of Capri, walk through upper part of Capri called Ana Capri, with chairlift ride to the Monte Solara upper terrace with panoramic views. And the final gift of the day was a private boat trip along the coast of the island to the Faraglioni rocks, landmark of Capri, which was the best way to admire the gem of Capri from water. Experiencing Capri from the water is widely considered the best way to see the island because it provides access to breathtaking coastal scenery, secluded swimming spots and iconic sea caves that you simply can't reach by land. But the beauty of Capri hides a sinister past. In 26 AD, the widely disliked by public and assaulted by Senate, Roman Emperor Tiberius retreated from public life in Rome to this island refuge, high atop Capri's cliffs, where he remained for the last decade of his life. According to the ancient writer Suetonius, the emperor led a strange life in his village Jovis, where he was free to indulge his unspeakable fantasies at will, and his enemies were regularly thrown from cliffs to their death in the foaming waters far below. Isolated from outside world, Tiberius soon descended into paranoia and lost his handle on reality and power. Despite such a dark heritage, today we can admire the beauty of rocks here. impossible not to be impressed by the otherworldly beauty of Capri, glittering island jewel of the Mediterranean. The Faraglioni rocks have the iconic status as the guardians of the island and a symbol of Capri. They are three mysterious limestone rocks, Stella, Mezza and Scopola, that rise from the sea, with the middle one featuring a natural arch that boat tours pass through. Approaching the rocks, our boat captain got close enough to the Faraglioni to admire them from different angles. Up to 109 meters from the turquoise water, the limestone monoliths look majestic from the sea level. To our surprise, we have been told the local legend of the kiss under the Faraglioni rocks. The legend says that those who exchange a long kiss moving under the Faraglioni will stay together for life. Of course, we all started kissing not to miss the chance. It was beautiful and emotional trip along the rocks of Capri Island, which we would recommend to everyone.